Hello, Kauai. Here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Friday, February 5th. Happy Aloha Friday. The Department of Health is reporting no new cases today. We currently have 2 active cases in isolation. None are hospitalized. We have 3 people in health-directed quarantine as close contacts. Our cumulative case count is now 210, including 179 confirmed locally, 1 probable, and 30 tested elsewhere but reported after arrival on island. More than 14,000 doses of vaccine have been administered on Kauai. Over the next few weeks, we will focus on providing second doses for phases 1A and 1B, as well as providing mobile clinics for homebound residents who are eligible. We expect to move into phase 1C as soon as vaccine supply allows. This will expand the eligible group to include residents ages 65 to 74, residents 16 to 64 with high-risk health conditions, and all other essential workers not included in phases 1A or 1B. Our vaccine rollout has been very smooth thanks to the hard work of our Kauai District Health Office as well as our hospital partners. Additional vaccine providers on island will be coming online soon, which will help us to bolster our program. As you might have noticed, we are moving more quickly with vaccine rollout than most of the nation. This is partly due to our low disease incidence rate on Kauai, which allows us to focus our Department of Health resources on our vaccination clinics. Currently, we're moving as quickly as the national vaccine supply allows. We are well positioned to ramp up our vaccine clinics as soon as supply increases. For additional information on Kauai's vaccine program, please visit kauai.gov/vaccine. Inter-island travelers can now be exempt from quarantine by participating in the Safe Travels program with a negative pre-travel test from one of the state's trusted testing partners. For more information on the state's Safe Travels program or to view the list of trusted testing partners, visit hawaiicovid19.com/travel. For out-of-state travelers who wish to reduce their quarantine to 3 days, you have the option to participate in the Resort Bubble program by taking a pre- and post-travel test. We now have 8 approved Resort Bubble locations on island. To date, more than 1,400 incoming travelers have graduated from our Resort Bubble program. To learn more, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Office of Economic Development recently received proposals for the 2021 Innovation Grants, which aim to support new projects that use innovative approaches to solve local problems. We invite the public to view the proposals and share their thoughts on the value of funding each proposal by going to oedinnovationgrant.consider.it. The deadline for public review and comment is February 22nd. A new crisis counseling service on our island is Kumakani, the Hawaii Resiliency Project. Kumakani is partnering with Hawaii Cares to provide free crisis counseling. Call 800-753-6879. No insurance, referral, or payment is required. Crisis counselors are trained to recognize and provide tools to reduce stress. They are familiar with local agencies and can make connections on food assistance, mental health, grief support, transportation, substance abuse support, as well as employment and education programs, as well as COVID-19 testing and vaccination. If you need help, please reach out. Once again, the number is 800-753-6879. We know many of you are looking forward to the Super Bowl this Sunday. Thankfully, we've kept our case numbers low here and we can keep it that way with your help. Celebrate the Super Bowl at home with your family. If you must gather with others, stay outside. Keep your group small, make individual bento-style food, and please avoid potlucks and buffets. Wear your masks and keep a distance from others, and please, if you feel under the weather or you recently traveled, stay home. Mahalo for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to wear your masks, wash your hands, keep your distance, and avoid large gatherings. Together, We can help to keep Kauai safe.